Krishna Bhakti Rasa is the mellow of Krishna Bhakti. Tate Veda Shastra hite Parama Mahatva. This is the essence of all Vedic literature. Srimad-Vedanta Saram, Srimad-Bhagavatam Isyati, Tadrasamrita Triptasya Nanyatra Sedrati Kochit. Chari Veda Upanishade Jato Kichu hoy, tar artha no sanchaya. This is the last contribution of Srila Vyasadeva. After compiling all Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, at last he compiled the Srimad-Bhagavatam. This is the essence of all Vedic literature, Sarva-Vedanta Saram. Whatever you will find in 4 Vedas and Upanishads, everything is here in Srimad-Bhagavatam. Tadrasamrita triptasya nanyatra sedrati kochit. If someone is fortunate and taste this mellow, nectarian mellow coming out Srimad-Bhagavatam and is satisfied with it, will never aspire for any other literature. The Srimad-Bhagavatam. Jasyang vaisruyamanayang Krishne paramapurushe bhakti rutpadyate punsa soka moho hayapaha. Only by hearing Srimad-Bhagavatam one can very easily develop Krishna Bhakti. Krishne paramapurushe bhakti rutpadyate soka moho hayapaha. By the development of Krishna Bhakti, one's all material fears, lamentations and delusions are completely finished, destroyed. This is the effect of hearing Srimad-Bhagavatam, only by hearing Srimad-Bhagavatam. Sthane sthita srujigatang tanubang manovir japrayaso ajito jito apyasi stais trilokyang. The statement given by Lord Brahma. Whatever position one may be, let him be there in that position, no need of changing position. Sthane sthita srujigatang tanubang manovir japrayaso ajito jito apyasi stais trilokyang. If someone is in brahmachari position, let him be there. Someone in grihastha position, let him be there. Someone in vanaprasthi position, let him be there. Someone in sannyas position, jati, brata position, let him be there. No need. Only one thing should be done. So to hear Srimad-Bhagavatam, tanumang manovhir japrayaso ajito jito apyasistri trilyam. If you daily, Nitya Bhagavata Sevaya, is daily activity. You daily hear Srimad-Bhagavatam from the right source. You will develop such Krishna Bhakti, thereby you will be able to conquer the unconquerable. Ajito Jita. Krishna is unconquerable. Trilokyang. In Tribhuvana, Krishna is unconquerable. But he will be able to conquer that unconquerable Krishna, who will develop such bhakti, prem bhakti, by hearing Srimad-Bhagavatam from the right source. This is the effect of hearing Srimad-Bhagavatam. This is nitya, daily activity. Jao Bhagavata pada Vaishnava sthane, ekanta ashraya karo Chaitanya charane. That is stated. One should go and approach Bhakta Bhagavata, Vaishnava, who is an embodiment of Bhagavata, and hear and study Bhagavat under his guidance. Ekanta ashraya karo Chaitanya charane, and completely take shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is required. What is the necessity? What is the necessity of taking shelter of the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? ब्रह्मार दुर्लभ प्रेम सभाकारे जाचे पतित पामर नहीं बाचे. Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately gives Krishna prem, which is even very difficult on the part of Lord Brahma to get. Brahmar durlabh prema svakare jache, patita pamra nahi bache. Never discriminates. He never discriminates whether he is qualified to get it or not qualified. Patitas pamaras even. Such munificent, wonderfully munificent, gives freely Krishna Bhakti, Prem Bhakti, Prema Pumartha Mahan. Srimad-Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumartha Mahan. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam Tathradarana. This is the opinion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srimad-Bhagavatam Prema Pumartha Mahan. Prem Bhakti Tattva has been said here in Srimad-Bhagavatam. This is opinion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives that prem freely. If you can get that prem bhakti, then you can understand Krishna. Then you can understand Srimad-Bhagavatam. Otherwise you cannot understand. That is needed. Bhaktya Bhagavatam grajyam na buddhya na chatikaya. Only by bhakti. Only by Suddha Bhakti, pure Bhakti, you can understand Srimad-Bhagavatam. Na buddhya na chatikaya. You cannot understand Srimad-Bhagavatam by dint of your own material scholarship, intelligence, merit. One may say, all right, many commentators are there. Those who have given commentaries on Srimad-Bhagavatam, famous commentator is Sridhar Swami. Sridhar Swami, Guru Garimani, Sridhar Anugatakara, Bhagavata Bhakyan. Mahaprabhu has said that. Sridhar Swami is the most famous commentator on Srimad-Bhagavatam. So his commentaries are there. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's commentaries are there. Baladev Vidyabhushan's commentaries were there. So Jiva Goswami's commentaries are there. Many commentaries are there on Srimad-Bhagavatam. One Sanskrit scholar may think, I am Sanskrit scholar, I know Sanskrit, so I'll take help of the commentaries written by these commentators and can understand Bhagavata. But no. Na buddhya na chatikaya. Bhaktya Bhagavatam grajyam. Only by bhakti. This won't help you to understand Srimad-Bhagavatam. Because Krishna tulyo bhagavato vibhu sarvasvayo. Krishna tulyo bhagavato prati shloke prati akshari nana artho koyo. Shloke prati akshari. This is what? Krishna tulya bhagavato vibhu sarvasvaya. Bhagavata is as good as Krishna. It is not different from Krishna. Krishna tulya bhagavato vibhu sarvasvaya. As Krishna is vibhu, Supreme Lord. Similarly, Bhagavata is vibhu sarvasvaya. As all takes shelter of Krishna, similarly also takes shelter of Srimad-Bhagavatam. Prati shloke, prati akshari, nanartha. In every verse, even in every word, in every letter, you'll find many meanings are there. Such is Srimad-Bhagavatam. You understand? It's only understood through bhakti. As Krishna is only understood through bhakti. Bhaktyahum ekayagrajya. Krishna said that. Bhaktyahum ekayagrajya. I am only understood and approached through bhakti. Similarly, Srimad-Bhagavatam is only understood by bhakti. Therefore, we should take complete shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who gives freely prem bhakti. That will help us. Otherwise, we cannot understand Srimad-Bhagavatam. And by hearing of which, one can very easily develop this Krishna Bhakti, which is the supreme goal of our human life. It's only by hearing. So, this is Srimad-Bhagavatam, the glorification of Srimad-Bhagavatam. This is the glories. Before reading Srimad-Bhagavatam, we should glorify Srimad-Bhagavatam. It's kripa. We We should seek, beg his kripa. Sadhu Shastra krupaয় যদি কৃষ্ণোন্মুখ হয় সেই জীব তরয় মায়া তাকে ছাড়ায়। Isn't it, Maharaj? Huh? Sadhu Shastra kripa. Sadhu has kripa, sadhu has mercy, Shastra has kripa. Do you understand? Shastra has kripa. It's not mere book. It's not mere book as good as Krishna. Sadhu Shastra kripa. So we beg his mercy. Therefore we glorify. As we glorify Krishna, I glorify Srimad-Bhagavatam. Before studying Srimad-Bhagavatam. Let us now come to the topic's text.